A couple months ago, I built an algorithm, which is a non-linear, unorthodox algorithm based on fundamental understanding of how music works.
And you lecture on all these subjects?
Yeah. Phonetics, articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics.
I could figure out later, you know, but who's this Mr. Pregnant guy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the all-encompassing Mr. Pregnant is a metaphor.
So basically, it's a taxonomic approach to disambiguity and ambiguity. In a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder. Cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. And creates a sort of surrealistic kind of experience.
You gotta have that balance.